Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the speed test comparison between the HP v222w and the SanDisk dual drive Luxe. And I had been using the dual drive Luxe for about 1.5 years since its launch, guys, and it is one of the fastest performing pen drive in my comparison so far. And even if you are looking for a compact setup, guys, HP is the way to go, especially if you are using this with the MP3 player in your car and all. And if you are looking to buy both of these pen drive, guys, check out the link in the description so that you all can buy it from Amazon, which would help my channel also. So let me know in the comments below which pen drives you all are using and what kind of comparison you all are looking for in the future. So presently, just to make it a fair comparison, guys, we are going to connect the OTG connector because the SanDisk dual drive Luxe usually comes with a type C connector, and it is the faster storage media, like it is having the 3.2 connector. And in this case, guys, I'm just going to connect the respective windows to the crystal disk mark, and I'm just going to run the comparison benchmark, guys. And most of the time I'm just doing it on the Windows because most of y'all who are watching this video are going to use it on Windows, guys, and I'm having a very marginal audience when it comes to Mac. Let me know in the comments below if I should also do a speed test comparison on a Mac, or if y'all are fine with just using crystal disk mark on Windows, because this is a very fast computer, guys, in terms of storage and all. So if you like this kind of videos, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload any new video. And please do not forget to follow us on social media: Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And y'all can just follow it at the rate Creative Soft, guys, and y'all can even ask us like queries, etc., if y'all are having any. So that is one of the best way to connect to us. And in my honest opinion, guys, if you ask me which pen drive to buy, rather than asking me in the comments and all, straightforward, I would say get the SanDisk dual drive Luxe because it's a bigger pen drive. It is having a type C connector, and it is having one of the best speeds, guys, compared to majority of the competitors which I've checked so far. So, and also if you are trying to use it with a MacBook, and also you don't have to use the OTG connector, so it makes a better sense, guys. But now you'll be asking me, for whom is the HP v222w? And I would say it is targeted towards those audience who are just looking to buy an MP3 player, for their MP3 player, or maybe just connect to a TV for additional storage. And also, if you are a kind of person who just like to copy some movies and music on their pen drive and just connect it to your car MP3 player and all, so for those people, guys, the HP is a better choice because it is very tiny, and the moment you put it in the USB port, guys, it is just going to hide. And if you're looking for extremely compact and one of the best looking pen drives, you definitely should go with the HP. Otherwise, the majority of the people can go with the dual drive Luxe, guys. It is simply the one of the fastest pen drive available in the market. And yes, the dual drive Luxe have some heating issues because in my all my comparison, guys, the temperature just shoots up. But one thing to be noted, guys, this temperature is high only for a certain amount of time, like maybe like something like 2 to 3 minutes, and after 2 to 3 minutes it cool down very fast, guys. And this helps in longevity of the pen drive and increasing in lifespan, because the entire pen drive is made from metal, and that actually acts like a heat sink, guys, so it dissipates more heat in that case. So there are other things also, like if you are not looking for the pen drive which gets heated, you can even go for SanDisk dual drive Go. And this is the same pen drive which is having the one without a metal body, and it is just a plastic body, guys. So in my case, I feel like majority of the people should simply stick with the dual drive Luxe. And as you can see, the read speed of the dual drive Luxe is about 90 mbps, and the write speed is also quite good, guys. It is sometimes more than 25 mbps. Maybe it is heated. We'll just wait and check out what is the speed for this. And let me know in the comments below if you are already using one of these pen drive from, and which is your favorite brand, guys, whether it is SanDisk, Strontium, HP or any other brand, if you are using like PNY and all. And majority of the times, guys, I recommend SanDisk because it is very easy to find out the service center, etc. Even when it comes to service, HP is also good. So just if you are making a decision based on service center, etc., so you all should just check this in your city or state, if one of the following brands is having your service center and all, and based on that you all should choose your decision, guys. And even I think Strontium is having their online platform where you can just mail them and then courier it, and they just send you the replacement or a refund over that. And that is one of the best initiative by Strontium. We have also done some speed test comparison also, and maybe in the cards I'll be linking it, and maybe in the end of the video also I'll be linking the playlist for all the pen drives, guys. So do check out the playlist for storage media and flash drives. So let me know in the comments below if you all are thinking of purchasing any of this, because right now to be honest, as per the speed, guys, it is showing me less than 25 mbps write speed for the dual drive Lux. I guess it is because I'm just running in these benchmarks continuously, but if you see the read speed of the HP, guys, it is very less. It is almost like 16.8 mbps, and I feel this is one of the slowest performing pen drive because simply it is USB 2.0, and I don't think so you should be buying this for the speed. If you are a person who likes a style statement pen drive, especially in those cases, like if you are using with something like the MP3 player of your car and all, then definitely you all should go with the HP and just skip the SanDisk. But the SanDisk is a solid pen drive, I would say. It has been my daily driver for a while, and then I had been using this for a couple of transfers and all, and especially like if you are using something for like transferring your operating system files and all that for backups and all, it's a great deal, guys. And especially the fast speed, the quick speed which I'm getting with the SanDisk dual drive Lux is, I don't think so any of the pen drive is giving me, except for some of the pen drives which you get for from SanDisk and all. If you're looking for a faster pen drive, you should just, or a faster storage, you also just go with something like a Samsung, the external medias and all. So as you can see, guys, the result of the speed test is very disappointing for the HP, because HP had been always coming up with something a very slower kind of media, and I think the test is already complete for the SanDisk, but I'm still waiting for the right speed of the HP, guys, which is very disappointing, and it is taking a very long time. And I think I should just go ahead with this, and maybe check out once I get the right speed of the HP pen drive, guys, and just maybe like end this particular video. Okay, it is around 18.72, which is again slow in my case. I don't think so. If I just run the test again, guys, again it will be a disappointing, but then I might get a better write speed with the dual drive Lux. And I guess this is the reason like you should perform multiple tests and check it out. And I think if you see the read and write speed, it is 16 mbps for the read and 18 for the write, whereas the dual drive Lux is around 90 mbps for the read, guys. And I think this is a very slow pen drive, guys, USB 2.0 and all. I don't think so you all should consider for this. And the SanDisk is very promising, at least the read speed in my test, and I think I'd been getting a better speed with the SanDisk dual drive Lux. So if your highest priority is connecting your Android smartphone, I mean the pen drive to the Android smartphone, definitely you should get the dual drive Lux, because it's a better pen drive, guys. In the long run, it is just going to help very a lot. And I think on that note, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. In that case, guys, please subscribe to our channel. Also do check out these awesome videos which we have it on our channel, and let me know in the comments below which pen drive you all are thinking of getting it. And again, guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.